Most people miss the biggest wealth cycles in crypto because they're looking at the past, not the future of the TX ecosystem. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we are diving deep into why 2026 is the pivotal year for the TX ecosystem and how it's positioned to redefine the blockchain landscape. By the end of this video, you'll understand the growth potential of this network and how it's creating a new window for wealth generation. We've been tracking the data over at coherencedaddy.com, and the trends are undeniable. The architecture of growth. To understand the potential, we first have to look at the foundation of the TX ecosystem. Unlike older chains that struggle with scalability, the TX ecosystem was built for the demands of 2026. We're seeing a seamless integration of speed and security that allows developers to build without the usual bottlenecks. This infrastructure is the primary engine driving the current growth we're witnessing across the board. The DeFi revolution. Now, let's talk about DeFi. Decentralized finance is the heartbeat of any successful network. Within the TX ecosystem, DeFi is evolving beyond simple lending and borrowing. We are seeing a surge in sophisticated liquidity protocols and automated yield strategies that are attracting massive capital. When the DeFi layer matures, the entire ecosystem experiences a multiplier effect on its valuation. The 2026 wealth cycle. Why is 2026 the magic year? It's the perfect storm of adoption and technology. We've moved past the speculation phase and into the utility phase of the TX ecosystem. Real-world assets are being tokenized and integrated, bringing in institutional players who previously sat on the sidelines. Historically, when utility meets institutional liquidity, we enter a major wealth cycle. How to position yourself. So, how do you capitalize on this growth potential? First, educate yourself. Use resources like tokns.fi to stay ahead of the narrative. Second, look for the projects within the TX ecosystem that are solving actual problems, not just chasing hype. Diversification within the ecosystem is key to capturing the broadest range of upside. The TX ecosystem has the structural foundation to scale. The evolution of DeFi is driving massive liquidity. 2026 represents the convergence of utility and institutional adoption. The window for early adoption is closing, but the potential for those positioned correctly is still enormous. If you want to stay on the cutting edge of the TX ecosystem, hit that subscribe button right now. Smash the like button if you believe 2026 is going to be a legendary year for crypto. Comment TX 2026 below if you're already building your position.